How much should you actually spend on an electric wall heater? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, DREO Smart Wall Heater. First up is the DREO Smart Electric Wall Heater. Priced at $99.97, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and smart features. If you want a powerful heater that connects to Alexa and keeps your space cozy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DREO heater boasts a 1,500-watt PTC heating system that delivers warmth at an impressive 11.5 feet per second airflow, making it efficient for larger spaces. The low 28 dB noise level means you can enjoy quiet heating, perfect for bedrooms or offices. Plus, with multiple control options, including an app and remote, you can adjust the temperature or oscillation from anywhere in the room. It also covers 150 square feet as a primary heat source or serves up to 750 square feet as a supplement. Honestly, that's solid coverage for most rooms. Now, some people complained about its installation process, saying it could be tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, many users rave about how easy it is to operate and its effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you want smart features and a powerful heater for daily use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-portable. For its price, it genuinely offers great value for the technology. Now, if the installation process of the DREO bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DREO Smart Wall Heater WH719S. Next, we have the DREO Smart Wall Heater WH719S, retailing for $116.99. What I found striking was its 120 degrees vertical oscillation. If you want a heater that covers every corner of your room quickly, this is definitely worth considering. The DREO heater distributes heat evenly with its widespread oscillation. That means you won't have those annoying cold spots in your room. It also has a precise temperature range from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps you stay comfortable no matter the weather outside. With a 24-hour timer and remote control, it makes heating on a schedule super easy. Plus, its design is made for a good night's sleep, automatically adjusting the LED brightness to low light conditions, so it won't keep you awake. This one covers 200 square feet as a primary source, or up to 750 square feet as a supplement. Very efficient. Now, some users pointed out that it could be a bit noisy at times. But here's the thing. Many found that it's still quieter than traditional heaters, so it's a minor issue for most. This is perfect for you if you want a smart heater that works well in bedrooms and living spaces. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or require absolute silence. For its price, you get a smart heater packed with features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for energy savings. Product number 3, DREO Wall-Mounted Heater. Now, let's check out the DREO Wall-Mounted Space Heater, priced at a budget-friendly $69.99. What caught my attention here is its Eco mode, which really sets it apart for those looking to save on energy costs. If you want efficiency without sacrificing comfort, this one is worth a look. This heater features an intelligent Eco mode that adjusts its heating power based on the surrounding temperature, ensuring you only use what you need. It provides 3 oscillation angles, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degrees, to evenly distribute heat throughout your room. The remote control and LED display make it super user-friendly, allowing you to adjust settings without having to get up. Plus, it covers up to 200 square feet, making it a great option for small to medium rooms. However, some users noted that the remote control requires AAA batteries, which aren't included in the package. Here's the thing though, once you get your batteries, it's easy to operate, and many customers find it's a minor inconvenience for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient option that's easy to control. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end model with advanced features. It's a solid value for anyone on a budget. Now, if you're looking for something with a more robust safety feature, check out the next product. Product number 4, ENVI Plug-in Electric Heater. Next up, we have the ENVI Plug-in Electric Panel Heater, which is on the higher end at $199.95. Its energy-efficient design really grabbed my attention. If you want something that can replace your central heating without breaking the bank, this might be the one. This heater operates at a low wattage of only 500 watts, making it extremely energy efficient. It's designed to maintain a comfortable room temperature while saving on energy costs. The safety sensor cuts off power if it's removed from the wall, which is vital for homes with kids or pets. It's also fanless, meaning you get gentle warmth without the noise, making it perfect for bedrooms or quiet spaces. Its sleek design is only 2 inches thick, so it won't clutter your walls or floor space either. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't heat up as quickly as traditional heaters. Here's the thing though, it's designed for efficiency rather than speed, and if you're looking for a more sustainable heating option, this is a great trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're eco-conscious and want a heater that's safe and efficient for long-term use. Skip this if you need immediate heat or have larger spaces to cover. It's a worthwhile investment for those looking to save on energy bills. Now, if you need something specifically designed for bathrooms or smaller spaces, let's look at the next product. Product number 5, DREO Smart Bathroom Heater. Finally, we have the DREO Smart Electric Wall Heater designed for bathrooms, priced at $119.99. Its safety features particularly stood out to me. If you're someone who needs a heater in a moisture-prone area, this is definitely worth checking out. This model comes with an ALCI plug and IP24 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in bathrooms. With a heat output of 1,500 watts, it ensures you can stay warm even in the coldest conditions. The adjustable thermostat and eco mode let you customize the heating experience, and it also connects to Alexa for voice control, which is super convenient. It covers 200 square feet, making it perfect for most bathrooms or small spaces. Some users mentioned it can take a little while to heat up fully. But here's the thing. Considering the safety features, this is a minor drawback for users who prioritize safety, especially in wet areas. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable heater for a bathroom or smaller space. Skip this if you don't need specific moisture-resistant features. It offers great value for those prioritizing safety and smart technology. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options. The DREO Smart Heater for advanced tech, the DREO WH719S for even coverage, the JNDRO for budget-friendly energy savings, the ENVI for eco-conscious heating, and the DREO bathroom heater for safety in wet areas. Each has its strengths and weaknesses based on your specific needs, so choose wisely.